Oh, there he is. Hey, is that him over there? Okay. He's over there.
I can't get around.
Yeah, sick. He's gonna be just south of that Planet Fitness. We're gonna go try to contact him right now. Rock, man! Drop the rock! Hey, Phoenix Police, drop the rock! I'm gonna tase him. Drop the rock, buddy! Drop the rock! Drop the rock, then! Drop the rock!
Here's the body-worn camera video from the primary officer.
Get back. Hey, get back here.
Hey, I get it. Drop the rock.
Drop the rock.
Drop it. Drop the rock. I'm gonna tase him.
Hey, let's get the stun bag out. 221 India. We're in it. It's not loaded. Run northwest. Drop it! Drop it! Drop the rock!
The officer ordered the man to drop the rock, but the man again did not comply.
Stun bag. Get that stun bag up. Drop the rock and get down on the ground.
The officer called for a stun bag again, but the man ran away before the stun bag could be used. The officer again asked a backup officer for the stun bag. The man temporarily went out of view behind the restaurant, but then reappeared in the restaurant's outdoor patio. The man then lifted the rock in what appears to be a throwing motion and continued to move towards the restaurant's side door.
Drop the rock!
The officer again asked a backup officer for the stun bag.
Stun bag on the south side of this. Now! Help! Do not go in there! .223, 221 Indian, 998. At the suspect's down. I don't know if there's anybody inside who needs help.
The man fell inside the restaurant, and officers moved in to detain him and render aid.
We need to see if anybody needs help in there, man. He's right behind that door. I'm with you right here.
After the shooting, officers attempted to restrain the man as he continued to pull his arm away and kick the officers.
Let me see your hands, man. We're trying to help you.
No!
Get that arm back.
Help! Help! Oh!
Your hands behind your back. Stop resisting.
There. There you go. Get in there. Rotate.
The officers were able to secure the man and provide aid to include putting on a tourniquet. No other citizens or officers were injured during this incident.